Today is November 1st, meaning yesterday was Halloween. Is this too soon, or? I don't really care, to be honest. I am in Christmas mode, and I always hit up the Dollar Tree because they have some amazing finds for Christmas, but there's also some things from the Dollar Tree around Christmas time that's not worth it. So today I'm going to share with you what you should and shouldn't buy at the Dollar Tree for Christmas. Let's start with a should buy, and that is ornaments. Christmas ornaments at the Dollar Tree are a total steal. I have ornaments I bought years ago and I still use on my tree today. What I love is you can get full packages of ornaments.
What did you find? Do you have little ornaments?
So like just the bulbs to fill on your tree, but then they also have so many cute individual ornaments as well. You literally cannot beat these for $1. They even have 2 packs for $1. My one note on the Christmas ornaments is the ones with the glitter, you're risking glitter being like a lot of places. I do have some with glitter on them from a few years ago, and they do get glitter everywhere. Also, they have these birds every year, packs of 2, white and red. These are adorable to put on the ends of your tree. If you do like a bunch of them throughout your tree, they're great for wreaths and other decoration, and this is the best price you are going to find for them. On the topic of ornaments, they also have clear bulbs, so they have the large ones, or you can get 2 of the small ones for $1, and definitely the best price you can get for them. I love these because you can do so many great DIYs, whether you're DIYing for your house or you want a DIY gift. Stay tuned because I picked these up to do some DIYs with in a video that's coming up probably in a week or 2. Another big winner for the Dollar Tree, seasonally, I mean really just all the time, but especially seasonally, is ribbon. They have the best ribbon for the price, and they always have so many cute different varieties. So I got this one because I'm gonna swap out my wreath on my front door for a Christmas one, and then I get the thinner ones to do gifts with, so I'll make like ribbons or just tie it around a present to like make it look pretty. Another awesome find at the Dollar Tree for Christmas is the wreath hangers. I love these for the doors because you just pop them right over your door and you can hang a wreath on them. Okay, I've been talking about a lot of Dollar Tree Christmas winners. When it comes to seasonal items, Dollar Tree tends to knock it out of the park, so there are a ton of winners. I do have some things that I don't think are worth it, so let's do one of those. They didn't have it at my Dollar Tree yet, but I have some in my stash that I've bought years before, and that is the strings of Christmas lights that they have. Typically, these are very short strings, which I mean, for $1 I guess is fine, but they don't ever have the adapter pieces at the end, so it's not like you can connect 2 to make a longer string of 50. So I have bought these before thinking like, oh, I'll just like combine 2 or 3 of them for $3. I get 75 lights, but you can't combine them. The only time it might be worth it is you just have a very small specific spot where you just want like a couple of lights, then maybe it's gonna work for you. The next Dollar Tree thing that you should always buy for Christmas is all of their like wrapping stuff. Anything wrapping related, in my opinion, is an amazing deal at the Dollar Tree. They have so many gift bags. Now my Dollar Tree this year had not brought out most of their holiday gift bags, but they will be coming out very soon, and I have gotten some really cute holiday gift bags at the Dollar Tree. Like, I'm telling you, people compliment how cute these gift bags are. So definitely keep your eyes peeled for the gift bags because best price you're gonna find. I always pick up these gift boxes that they have at the Dollar Tree. They come in packs of 3, and you can usually get like a variety of shapes and sizes. These are so good when you have awkward shaped things, or if you're buying clothing for people, because that's so hard to wrap. And I like using gift bags, but I don't like using a ton of gift bags because I feel like they take up space and they're hard to travel with if you're like traveling places for Christmas. So these packs of 3 gift boxes are so good. But they also have some really pretty gift boxes that you can use for smaller gifts as well, and like literally just put the present inside and close the top and you're good to go. I also love getting all of my wrapping paper there. I picked up this one when I was there. Now my tip for getting wrapping paper at the Dollar Tree is to shop early. Like, you want to get your wrapping paper before Thanksgiving. After Thanksgiving, it gets really picked over and it's kind of just like cartoon animals left over, which is fine if that's what you're looking for, but if you want the best patterns that they bring out each year, that is my tip.
Here's one thing that's always worth it to get at the Dollar Tree: tape for all of your wrapping. You can get these packages, 2 Scotch tapes for $1.
And then honestly, all of the other like gift wrappy pieces. So if they have name tags to use, these little pre-done bows are so great. And then another find that I found in that era when I was shopping is these gift cards. They're obviously kind of sized if you want to put money or like a check, you know, like a blank check inside. I don't know, I'm just giving you ideas of what you could get me. When you get holiday cards like this somewhere else, you pay like $4. You can pay like $6 for these kind of cards nowadays. So definitely keep your eyes peeled for these because these were a total steal for $1. Okay, the next thing that I picked up, and I got this just so that we could test it, I could not tell you right now if it's good or bad, is one of the taper candles that people use to like put in their windows. Now, it's just the candle. It doesn't come with the little piece to click it onto the wall or onto the window. They had those separate. Okay, so I just did a little researching and I looked at some other ones online. I found one that it was a set of 10 for $17. That includes the clips and the suction. And it included a remote control, so you could turn them all on at once or you could set them to a timer. I feel like this is a better deal than getting these ones from the Dollar Tree, which there isn't even an on-off button. There's not a timer or anything. You have to take the battery out to make them turn off. Okay, another thing that I don't think is worth it to get at the Dollar Tree is tea lights. If you buy packs of these that are larger, you can get them at IKEA, you can get them on Amazon. You typically can find them for cheaper per candle. Okay, that being said, they had these two little LED tea lights, which is nice if you don't want to have to light a real light. So I got them to try out. I mean, it's pretty cute. I feel like for 50 cents, it's probably about the best like fake little tea light you're gonna get. Okay, now I feel a little duped because I'm checking on Amazon and apparently 50 cents for an LED tea light is not a good deal. This place is selling 100 of them for $27, and this place is selling 24 of them for $9. But okay, so maybe not the best deal on tea lights. You can get them cheaper on Amazon unless like you only need 2, which is probably rare. Okay, my next thing to definitely buy at the Dollar Tree are the plate chargers that they have. They typically have these year round, but they always bring them out for Thanksgiving and Christmas. I have had mine for years and I use them for every holiday and people always think that I am so fancy. Literally buy yourself a set of these. You'll be using them for years and they are an awesome buy from the Dollar Tree. My Dollar Tree had a huge area of Christmas crafts and these were such winners in my opinion. The first thing I saw is they had these little like crafts for kids. They had these little ceramic ornaments and then they also had these like canvas bags that your kids could paint and color in. Now I can't say if the paint and the markers that came with these were that great. You might want to let your kids use like what paint and markers you already have at home, but they were just like a super cute gift or an activity for your kid to do during the holidays. They also just had some really great craft items in general. Like look at these little Santa felt stickers. I just feel like you could do so many cute things with these. And a set of 10 or 12 felt stickers for $1 is like a total steal. The other thing I grabbed was the Christmas pom-poms, which personally I plan to use to make garland. Pom-poms are a great way to make a super affordable garland because you can just string them with a needle and some thread. Another good thing to get at the Dollar Tree, you can't see this, is these little like, what are these called? Wreath forms. If you're gonna make your own wreath, these are great for only $1. Do a little Pinteresting, you'll see so many amazing wreaths that you can make for super cheap. The last thing that the Dollar Tree is great for Christmas time is stocking stuffers. Things like mittens, things like cozy socks. I also found these like, how cute are these little Christmas tumblers for $1? Have a cup of cheer. Like I'm gonna put all my Christmas drinks in this until Christmas. All right guys, that does it with my things that you should and shouldn't buy at the Dollar Tree. Hopefully this prepares you for the upcoming holiday season, which, believe it or not, is upon us. I'm going to go fill this with some type of delicious holiday beverage. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and I will see you all in my next video.